come on inside. I can't wait to show you the Hartwell. This is our model home over here at T Farm. Well, it's one of our model homes. All right, let's turn this camera around. Right here, this is the Hartwell. It is elevation A, and it's a beautiful blue color. When you walk into the front door, we have this beautiful foyer. And like I said before, this is our model home, so it's all furnished. Just gives you a real idea of what this home is going to look like. Bedroom number 1. Got your full-size bed. Got your closet. It's great because it has this Jack and Jill. And then it just opens up right into here. This room can be a bedroom or it can be an office. Across the hallway, well, we have a closet here. We have a guest bedroom. And the guest bathroom. Over here, you have the laundry room. This closet here, this is where we keep the HVAC unit. And then let's go down the hallway so you can see this living space, this family room. Has a great dining area. Kitchen. Isn't this beautiful? It is really a great space. This home is just a little bit over 1,900 square foot. This is our timeless collection with that white herringbone, white cabinets, beautiful countertops. Almost has a little bit of a gray tint. And then this. All right, here we have a great corner pantry. Love a corner pantry. What would I do with that corner pantry if I had it? All right, and then this is the primary bedroom. Huge space. Got a king-size bed in here, lots of furniture. Just kind of shows you how truly big this room is. Love the high ceilings. All right, let me take you in here to the primary bathroom. You have your double sinks, walk-in shower, and look at this closet. Almost a whole nother room in there. But all righty, so that sums up our tour today. What do you think? So this sums up my tour today. What do you think? What are your thoughts about this Hartwell? It is 4 bedroom and 3 bath, little over 1,900 square foot. It is an amazing home. This is probably one of our favorites out here at T Farm. If you are interested and would like more information, would like to personalize your home, build from the ground up, purchase one of ours that we already have as an inventory home, just give me a call, send me a text. I'm Nancy Walsh over here at T Farm. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'd love to help you build or buy your next home. Bye.